Hey guys, this is my food. I have it with lemon, and let's first try the one that doesn't have bones. Mmm, very good. And then now I'm going to try the spaghetti.
There's the noodles in it. Did you like it?
Yeah, but it's not done.
What else did you get?
This.
What are those?
It's this, but it's called.
Oh, it's like a lid. What did you get to drink?
Soda,
What kind of soda?
root beer. No, try the root beer. Good. Bye, guys.